Well, let's get cooking. Oil. Open. Time to peel potatoes. This is one of my worst chores. I don't really like peeling potatoes, but it has to be done. So we're going to use the sink for this. I'm back. Right, so we've peeled the potatoes. Now we just need to chop them. Oil started to burn. So let's get this done quickly. Turn that right down. She doesn't want nothing, but we're still cooking for the children.
Ready to do that
I
minute?
do, because I'm hungry. How would you like yours done, baby?
No, I'm just going to the shop.
She's going to go to the shop and get something. That's appreciation for you. Alright, I'm going to cook.
It keeps me up all night, it makes me ill.
So how would you like me to do it? I'm grateful. Some people just don't respect the craft. Well, I'm going to come back to you once we've finished cooking this and I'll show you the final result.
It smells like giving me heartburn.
Really?
Yeah. It's horrible. Which is horrible because they're my favourite homemade chips. I like them chopped a different way, but it's
Well, mate.
the best sometimes.
She said I'm the best sometimes. I love this girl. She's my little girl.
All a bit poorly.
She's a bit poorly today. We look after her. Check on the chips progress. Doing well. Give them a little stir. I don't know where my finger just went.
You don't put clean things on drainable, dirty things on drainable.
Alright, let's see how the chips are coming along. We've left it for about 5 minutes. It's getting brown. This is dangerous, I don't advise anyone to do this. With one pan, you should be holding the pan at the same time instead of holding the pan in 8D. Okay. Break up any fries or chips, whatever you want to call it. I'll call these chips. Break up any chips that are stuck together. Problem I had a minute ago is that I didn't have the oven on. You know when we put the chicken in, the oven went on. So hopefully it's on now. Let's see if there's a fire in there. There is. A bit dirty, isn't it? Alright, chips should be done soon. Check on the broccoli. Let's have a look. Let's lower that down. Ugh. Right, chips are nearly done. Right, at this stage we're going to take them out because we're going to fry them. So, put that there. Heat, so we can do the final stage of browning. And now it's going to be delicious. I was gonna fry them.
He's gonna what?
To fry it 3 times. I don't know if that's fries or not. But taking it out, all back up to heat, and then we're going to plonk them back in for the final stage of crisping. Yep. Stacey. Can do if you want. Why not? Makes it better, doesn't it? Leave that to fry for a few minutes. Whilst what? See you in a minute. Done. That's how I like my chips, so let's get them out.
Yeah, please.
This boy's not happy. He needs more. Want more?
Yes, please.
Go. Long as you eat it. Should have got him to wash his hands. Leave the lot. Sorry, mate.
This one.
What the F is that? Oh my god. Oh, it's empty. Oh. God. Well, that was a bit weird, wasn't it? Time to play. Everything's ready. Chips, broccoli, chicken, ears. Oh, as you can see from that smoke. Yeah, I think the chicken's done. Let's get it out. Alright, I'm going to make sure the chicken is done before I give it to my beautiful wife.
No need to worry about your pre-recorded music tapes being accidentally erased. It can't happen.
Chicken is done. Now that, I think you'll agree, is a perfect dinner. Season again. What are you laughing at?
Fucking candle. Same candle you bought to me last night. Thank you. That's a lot of food.
Romantic.
What, because you put a candle from the pound shop on it?
I bought that from Debenhams, actually.
It doesn't matter where you bought it.
It's a scented candle from Debenhams.
Look. Thank you. Have we got any daddy sauce?
Any what?
Daddy sauce.
She must have ruined my fucking meal that I just spent hours cooking with daddy sauce.
Have we got any daddy sauce?